Well, COVID-19, the flu, monkeypox, students and parents may have a lot of health concerns right now as this new school year gets underway. And that would include college students, of course, who are not immune to any of these issues.
So I recently had a conversation with our nation's former Surgeon General and the president of one of Arizona's public universities to get their take on what some of the biggest health challenges are right now. Even though the sun is setting on summer 2022, the school year is just beginning to heat up, especially for Arizona's college students. According to a report we just got our hands on from the Arizona Board of Regents, more than 204,000 students were enrolled in Arizona's 3 public universities last fall, many of them attending classes in person. A sign things are improving in this pandemic, but more people together also means more chances for diseases to spread.
As relates to close contact, obviously in the dormitory, there is that. And by nature of youngsters in college, there's lots of close contact.
Dr. Richard Carmona is the former U.S. Surgeon General under President George W. Bush and is now a faculty member at the University of Arizona. He tells me the university is in a much better position now when it comes to tackling COVID.
Our population is now more immunized. More people have been exposed. So we have a greater degree of protection.
But that new normal doesn't mean we're out of the woods just yet.
People are still dying from COVID.
Dr. Robert Robbins is president of the University of Arizona and also happens to be a trained medical doctor. He says when it comes to COVID, even though things are improving, it's important not to let our guards down.
And if you have not yet received the vaccine, I implore you, I beg you to make an appointment today.
I did some digging and found out that all 3 of Arizona's public universities are currently offering COVID vaccines and testing, and that includes boosters. Students can get those vaccines on campus at the University of Arizona and ASU. NAU tells me they're currently working with Coconino County to provide the shots off-site. And when you factor in COVID and the flu, monkeypox could make a triple threat on college campuses this year. So both of you are medical doctors as well. So how concerned are you about monkeypox?
I'm definitely concerned because it's so new. It's getting a lot of headlines. And I thought it was important for us to have a discussion about it here. But as I said before, I am much more concerned about COVID at this point.
We want to inform and not inflame, but we felt that it was our obligation to alert our campus community and the community at large that we're coming into a flu season. We still have COVID around us and the pandemic is still going on. And now we have this new viral disease and we want you to be aware of what it is.
And also new this year, the University of Arizona will offer monkeypox testing through its student health centers. And I also had conversations with ASU and NAU. Officials there tell me they will also offer monkeypox screenings for students this year.